Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today we're going to get into the kitchen and we're going to be doing some simple decorating touches. I am definitely going for a little bit more traditional in the kitchen, and I just wanted to take you guys along just so you can see how I am decorating my shelving and my kitchen countertops. I normally try not to put a lot on my countertops because I really don't have that much countertop space, and so I don't want to overwhelm the space that I do have with too much decor. So I'm really just going to be doing some simple decorating and styling. So let's go ahead and get into this video. And like I said, if this is your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Shoshana, and on my channel I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning, motivation, lifestyle vlogs. So if that's something that you are interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here on YouTube. Also, I would love for you to go ahead and press that bell twice so that you don't miss any of my notifications. Also, go ahead, interact with me by leaving a comment down below, leaving your name, and just telling me where you are watching from. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and let's go ahead and get decorating.
By the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Your name oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
So this is the result of what the kitchen is looking like. I didn't want to talk too much in the video. I just wanted you guys to enjoy the process and enjoy the music, and I hope that you did. I just love my little nativity sign. I got it from Walmart, you guys. A lot of my decor I got from Walmart, and I just love the way that these shelving look. I love to decorate this piece. It's probably one of my favorite spaces to decorate in my kitchen, and I just love it so much. I love these plates. They're kind of like vintage looking, and I got this from the Walmart store as well as the Better Home and Gardens dishware. And then I just kind of put all this together with my Dollar Tree drinking glasses, and I think that it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love the reds, the pop of red, the pop of black. I love all the greens and the whites, you know, just kind of like a touch of tradition and a touch of warmth and coziness. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you can find some type of inspiration to take away from it and maybe create something warm and cozy in your home for this Christmas holiday. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you. I love you too, and that He is the reason for the season. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.